咁咧，我咧就咧成日喺度諗嘅，我成日喺度諗，我點樣可以改變我自己嘅 writing style 咧？點樣我可以即係同自己唔同咧，有啲突破咧？咁其實咧有一個方法咧，就係去睇一啲即係睇報紙或者睇一啲好嘅 magazine，咁或者任何書啦，或者任何渠道，你見到啲好嘅語文咧，你自己係寫唔到嘅，咁咧你就可以模仿佢，即係攞咗佢做一種武器咁樣。咁你慢慢咧學一啲你欣賞嘅句子咧，你又知道嘅用法，你再用出嚟咧，成為咗你自己即係慣常嘅用語咧，你嘅 writing style 咧就會改變嘅。我覺得呢件事好型嘅。咁咧今日咧就想同大家分享咧，即係個 topic 就叫 Write with a new style， 係啦。咁咧呢度就有啲句子啦，咁我話覺得幾好睇嘅。嗱，第一個咧，嗱可能有啲長嘅呢段片，因為我係解釋得好清楚嘅，我要務求咧每一位都明我講乜嘢。咁咧呢一句咧，第一句咧，我呢個喺 National Geographic 嗰本雜誌度睇 ，National Geographic 即係國家地理雜誌啦。咁啊睇到呢句，我覺得幾型嘅個位咧，就係咧佢咧有一個好長嘅句子，得唔得？咁咧我數過廿幾個字嘅，咁咧後面都係有好多啊，十幾個咁嘅。咁咧好，你會留意到呢度咧，佢有 because 大家都識㗎，即係因為乜嘢啦？呢個原因嚟㗎，後面成個係咪？咁咧，但係咧佢如果原來呢個好 long 嘅 sentence 或者都幾長嘅，你至長嘅話咧，咁之後咧等陣啊，咁之後咧你咧就可以加個 dash，再加個 because，咁你睇落去咧視覺上你點解有兩楷嘢咧？係幾型嘅，即係好舒服嘅睇落去。哦，呢嚿係一個原因嚟嘅。咁逢親咧，記住一個中長度嘅句子咧，可以嘗試下唔好就咁 because 加個 dash。嗱，呢一個 example 就話，and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention responding as it always does to outbreaks that menace Americans is struggling with how to stop its advance。嗱呢個咧就話咧，因為佢 National Geographic 嗰個講美國嘅篇嘢啦，佢話一個 centers 咧即係個中心 for disease control，即係疾病嘅防止疾病啦嘅中心，同埋咧防疫啦 prevention 即係防止。咁咧佢 responding as it always does to outbreaks that menace Americans，即係咧佢話咧佢時常咧常常都會回應噶啦，作出好似以往咁 as it always does。回應啲咩咧 ？outbreaks 即係啲疾病嘅爆發啦。That menace Americans。menace 呢個字咧 ，OK 可能有啲陌生。呢個咧即係 threaten 咧可能都陌生，即係其實即係威脅啦。即係咧逢即係有啲疾病威脅到美國人咧，咁呢個咧咁嘅中心咧防疫中心咧就會去回應噶啦。咁啊今次佢講咩咧 ？is struggling with how to stop its advance。struggle with 咧即係好困難去做一樣嘢，做唔即係好佢面對困難啊，做咩？困難啲咩咧 ？How to stop its advance， 即係點樣去防止佢蔓延進一步升級啦？即係嗰個 outbreaks 係啦。Because 點解咧 ？Because the things causing the epidemic are widely distributed across the country。因為咧佢話導致到呢個 epidemic 即係 disease 大型啲嘅 disease 即係啲疾病，導致呢個疾病嘅嗰啲嘢咧 widely distributed across the country， 即係話咧成個國家都散播咗嘅，係啦。咁咧，仲有就係話 come from many places 好多地方嚟嘅 ，and are hard to trace back to their source。咁啊，好難咧去追溯翻佢源頭啊。呢個字咧唔好讀 distributed， 讀 distributed 係 distributed 個重音呢一度嘅 distributed。咁呢一句咧再加個 dash because 呢個咁嘅原因，可以學下即刻用到啊！我覺得中長度嘅句子咧 dash 加 because 咁嘅型咯。嗱，每個人覺得型嘅都唔同嘅。你如果覺得咧，逢親你睇啲嘢，你覺得哇好欣賞一個句子，你學咗佢，係啦，點都要揾個用法學咗佢。咁今日分享多兩個啦。呢個咧就係話呢個字好，即係可能大家見過啦，未聽過啦，我會講一次啦。呢個讀 unprecedented，再慢啲 unprecedented，即係前所未見咁嘅意思。呢個 example 咧就喺 CNN 咧一個新聞嚟嘅。早排咧喺呢啲大嶼山嗰啲沙灘就好多垃圾嘅，咁我都去過游水，勁多啦。咁咧佢就話 he called the size of the current trash pile unprecedented。trash 呢個字咧，嗱大家問下你先，垃圾英文係咩？垃圾咧就係 rubbish 啊嘛，我哋都會學噶嘛英式。咁咧 trash 咧就係美式英文啦 ，pile 就係一個堆，即係垃圾堆 ，current 即係近期。即係近期喺海灘嗰個垃圾堆咧，呢個人呢個發言人咧 ，he called the size 個 size，the size of the current trash pile unprecedented。佢話咧，哇近期啲垃圾真係多到前所未有。咁因為前所未有通常呢個字咧係形容啲正面嘅， 咁呢個好明顯係反面嚟噶嘛，咁所以佢加咗兩個 inverted commas， 即係不正常咁用法。He called the size of the current trash pile unprecedented， 咁啊可以用呢個字 unprecedented。咁咧第三樣嘢就我見到the dark side of something，dark side 即係暗嘅一面，即係壞嘅一面咯。咁可以學 the dark side of something。Example 就係 as a long-time tech columnist，I've seen the dark side of technology。咁咧呢一個咧 tech 咧其實即係 technology 嘅縮短版啦，即係科技，寫關於科技產品嘅嘢咧嘅一個 columnist。column 呢個字咧就係一個專欄 ，columnist 係一個人，即係專欄作家。咁咧作為 as 即係作為 as a long-time tech columnist，I've seen the dark side of technology。佢話咧見到咧呢個 technology 嘅壞嘅一面啦 ，dark side 啦咁啦。咁啊呢度仲有一個，不如講埋呢個。呢度咧就仲有一個嘅，大家分享下啦，呢啲咁嘅句子啦，或者生字啦，係啦。如果有個網上嘅人咁樣分享下咧，對大家都有作用㗎。咁呢個係好型啊，我覺得。When I 一個 verb 最基本嘅 basic form 嘅一個 verb 最基本。I often 或者 sometimes find myself verb 加 ing， 即係我有時發覺自己會咁嘅喎。當我咁嘅時候 ，example 就係 when I seek。嗱，我讀嘅時候，你盡量理解個內容啦，我都會解嘅。When I seek inspiration or something to make me smile, I sometimes find myself visiting David's Twitter page, which is filled with nuggets of wisdom and humorous insights。當我咧去seek 即係揾啊一啲靈感嘅時候，或者我想揾一啲嘢去令到我笑咧，咁我有時發覺我會去David 嘅 Twitter page 嗰度睇嘅喎，係啦。咁啊呢個 page 咧叫 which is filled， 即係講呢個 page 係點樣 which is filled with nuggets of wisdom。wisdom 即係啲智慧啦，人生智慧啊咁道理啦。咁呢個字其實對應翻佢想揾 inspiration。咁 nuggets of wisdom 就係一啲 words of wisdom， 即係啲字眼咁嘅智慧。and humorous insight 就係獨到嘅觀點啦 ，humorous 嘅，但係即係好幽默嘅。咁你想令佢笑啦，即係佢發覺通常咧，我想揾呢啲嘢嘅時候咧，咦，我會咁做喎。咁可以記下 when I do it。I often sometimes find myself do it。咁咧，大家學嘢即係學呢啲語文咧，就係咧欣賞嘅嘢，或者你自己唔識嘅嘢，你想學嘅嘢，揾咗佢嘅用法出嚟，係啦。咁我會嘗試下示範下，定期示範下點樣學啲用法咧。你揾咗出嚟，咁樣寫低個用法，唔好淨係寫低個字，寫低個用法，再加個例句，用多啲喺作文度，改變你 writing style 就係咁。好，希望幫到大家。